love more. Pilipinas, Tisha. Oh, wow. Pilipinas. Here also, Pilipinas. Pilipinas, you know what, is the Bisaya language of Philippines. Mexico, there's a few words same as words in the Philippines, some other dialect here in Philippines. Cubiertos. Cubiertos. 7:50 a.m. Tisha. Really? We have opposite time. Hello. 120. My gosh, it's gone. Sinilip lang nila ako kung maganda ba ako tonight. How about my lips? It looks like kissable now or not? I put lip shiner. Because it's dry. My lips is getting dry. I don't know why. Maybe it's because of the weather. The windy weather and sometimes it's hot, sometimes it's so cold. I don't know why. Yeah, if it's cold, our lips will getting dry, so we have to moisturize. I was putting this one. My lippies. Lip gloss is a moisturizer and also give your lips a shimmering splendor, kissable lips like this. Neil, you're back. Tisha, ganda babae. Oh, thank you. I love you now. Tisha, lipstick hot. This is lip gloss, by the way, because if I'm using lipstick, especially the matte one, my lips is crack. And it's hurt. That's why I decided to use lip gloss, stop using the lipstick and everything and the matte, especially the matte. I love using matte lipstick, but my lips, they don't like matte lipstick. Sometimes I putting petroleum jelly because my lips is cracking, and it's hurt. Tisha, lipstick hot. Tisha. Thank you, Mario Martinez. Tisha, sorry kanina, sorry. Why? You don't have to say sorry. So, you don't have to say sorry. Bakit tao sa live ko ah? Tuloy-tuloy na ba yarn? Or pinaasa niyo lang ako? Bukas wala na naman kayo or later. After this live, I'm going to sleep and I live again like 2 a.m. 2 a.m. I wake up so early so that I can live until 6 a.m. Glass is very nice.